A very happy day to my dear children. I, Angel Singh, welcome you all to the online English classes. Children, today we are going to study a poem which is very dear to me. The title of the poem is The Joys of Childhood, written by Prerna C. Dancing around like little raindrops on muddy roads and more, window shopping in the shops, building castles at the seashore. This is the first paragraph of the poem. Here, little drops are referred to children, children like you, who are very dear to us. You are like little raindrops to us, which can fall here and there, creating a very cute, a very nice aroma. So here the dancing of the children or the movement of the children on the muddy roads is compared to dancing of the little raindrops. Children, we have studied the poetic devices in our previous video, and here, since the word like little raindrops is used, so here the poetic device used is simile. Window shopping in the shops, building castles at the seashore. So these are the activities which normally every child does. Window shopping means when you simply look around the shops, you look at the things and you feel like, okay, yes, this is nice, but you don't buy it. This is window shopping. And building castles at the seashore, when you go around the seashore and you with the help of the sand you build the castles. Little fights on a pen or a doll lasting only a moment or two, then a little hug to end it all, and skipping together saying I love you. It means that when you are with your friends, we have some silly fights. The fights could be on simple things like a doll or a pen, एंड दैट फाइट डजेंट यूज टू लास्ट लॉन्ग. ज़्यादा लंबे समय तक आप एक दूसरे से नाराज़ नहीं रहते हैं. इट जस्ट एंड्स अप क्विकली. दिस इज़ द ट्रूथ ऑफ इनोसेंस which only a child can bear. When we fight, we also know how to reconcile with our friends. Running and dancing here and about, slipping hard and rising with every fall. Very beautiful line. Laughing and playing, a chuckle and a shout, swinging high on swings and shooting a ball. So, while you run or while you dance here and there, of course, we fall down. But we learn from children that they rise up again. They don't lie down there and cry. Instead of doing that, they know that this is the time we have to enjoy. So, with full of confidence, they rise up and then they again start playing. Laughing and playing, a chuckle and a shout. हल्की सी हंसी, खिलखिलाहट जिसे बोलते हैं, या फिर चीखना. When you go in a park and you see children playing, you yourself when you play, you at times chuckle, at times shout. So this is a very enjoyable moment of life. Then cozily in mom's lap at night, listening to joyous words and toys anew, then on the terrace with dad, flying a kite with an innocent smile as fresh as dew. So, children, when you stop playing, when you're done playing, the only one person you need to go is your mother. You love to lie down in her lap and stay there. And you also want to go to your dad and to listen to the stories. In your mom's lap, you listen to the things or the stories or the joyous words. And with your dad, you love to fly the kite. And your innocent smile is compared to as a fresh dew. Knowing neither grief nor worry, grief means sorrow, nor worry means tension, lost in their own jolly world, at their own pace, near in a hurry, aspiring to build a happy dream world. You don't know any worries. अभी आपको कोई टेंशन्स नहीं है. You have your own dream world. You have imagined a world of your own and you love that world. It is a very happy place to live in. The world which is created by children, which is full of love, laughter, enjoyment, and innocence, where grief and worry does not have any space. You love to enjoy your life there. This is what we learn from children. A stranger, as well as their dear one, they can make anyone smile. They enclose love for everyone. They know nothing of cheat or wile, which means that you children, you have that capability to bring a smile on the face of anyone, be it stranger, be it your loved one, because the way you love is full of love only. There is no contamination of your craftiness. You are innocent and you are pure. This is what I say to you every day. Those days were so nice that can't be forgotten. Though I can forget everything else I have got, I wish I could go back the steps I have trodden towards the happiest time that now can't be bought. So, here, when the author is fully grown up and she wants to return to her childhood because that was the happiest time of her life, which does not had any worry, any tensions, nothing. The only thing was enjoyment, laughter, and innocence. I miss the swings and the playful laughter, so let me return to what I find good. I miss the innocent talks without any falter, so let me return to the joys of childhood. Very beautiful lines. Here we know the truth. As we grow up, we learn many things. We become wise or we become crafty, and we know how to balance our talks, how to balance our words while we talk to anybody, whether we are using flattery, whether we are true, we don't know. But the people are very difficult to judge. But in childhood, it was nothing like that. It was all innocence. What was in the heart was in the mouth and on the face. So she wants to return to her childhood days. So, children, this was a very beautiful poem on childhood. You still have that time with you. Enjoy it to the fullest. Don't lose your innocence. Be good to everybody so that you have lot of good memories when you grow up and lot of good things to share with your friends and families. So I hope children you like the video. Thank you so much. God bless you all.